Alright everybody, today is Sunday. It is the next day. What we're doing, we had to go to the junkyard, as you can tell. That's where we are walking around right now. We gotta find a couple things we need for the fuel system and a couple of brackets that we're missing for the transmission linkage levers. Yeah, hopefully we find what we're looking for, and then we will get back to you as soon as we can find them all. Well, that one was a total bust. Guess we're gonna have to look on eBay or something like that to find these parts. If I don't have them, I know I'm missing one, so hopefully I can find them. So let you guys know when we get back to the garage and we're gonna work on this. All right guys, we are at the garage shop, whatever you want to call this place. Today we are working on the transmission. We gotta fix a little bracket, that little bracket right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's the shift lever. Get some light here and I'll show you. It's a shift lever. It's supposed to go right there. Well, it broke and we're having some trouble trying to get that out. It's being a pain in the butt. I wish I'd known that before I put the transmission. It would be a lot easier to work on. And we're gonna get all that linkage locked in so we can actually put it in gear and actually put the drive shaft and the transfer case back on. That's the only thing we're missing on that whole thing. Alright guys, a little update. That bracket that was right there on that, we have it off now. But we do have another problem. Is I've called a couple of places to where they might have one, and so far, no luck. I haven't been able to look it up online yet because I haven't gone back to the house. But this is the part right here. Was in there. So if any of my car guys that are on this on my channel, you give me a hint, comment me, or you could instant message me on my Instagram at D.I.Y Charles. I'm just trying to find out what this is. I'm gonna keep researching. Hopefully, if I can just maybe fix this temporarily, make it work. But I highly doubt it because I think this is aluminum, and I don't have a welder for aluminum. But we're gonna try that first, and that we're gonna do some research. Hopefully we come back here later tonight and see what we can do. Yeah, any of my car guys, please let me know. Either comment in the comment section or hit me up on Instagram at D.I.Y Charles. I will leave a link down in the description as well on this video, and I don't find out before then. But I don't need it right this minute because obviously got a lot more work to do before you started, but I just wanted to get this done. But you have to wait a minute. There's a little more setbacks, nothing big. Just it's Sunday too, so there's no like transmission shops open either. I can call. Yeah, fun stuff. All right, everybody. Before we go in for the night, we're gonna work on the transfer case. Look at that. It is filthy dirty, so we're gonna try and clean it up, and then we'll be back out a little bit later. of cleaning that transfer case, but it is cleaned up the top half to better than what it was, with like 4 inches of dirt and mud on it. So that's gonna be a wrap for tonight. That transmission, that stupid little bracket thing, took most of my time out there trying to get that apart. Sorry, I wasn't very much this night, guys, but it is progress to what is going on. So please like, share, subscribe. Remember, ring that bell, and we will see you guys